Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope this video finds you well. I hope you were able to enjoy your Thanksgiving break and enjoy spending time with family and getting to relax and taking a break from schoolwork. I'm making this video today because I want to kind of go over what we will be doing this week. I'm sorry it took me a little longer than usual to make this video, guys. I had to make the stuff, the slides and the materials for the live lessons and digital lessons today, so I had to take and delay putting this video out. But now that everything is made, I can make this video and I can kind of walk you through what we're going to be doing this week. All right, so for today, if you have not figured it out and have not seen it already, you guys are doing units 2 and 3 key terms 17 through 24. All right, so you should know where to access this. If you have it completed and you want to attach that set of key terms to this assignment, you can do that. If you're not sure how to do that, send me an email and I'll walk you through it. Or if you have already worked on your set of key terms and you have completed those, then you are all set and you're squared away. If you attached them to a separate key terms assignment, I will be able to find those and you'll be all set. For anyone that has not done any of these key terms yet or is trying to find where to go to access those key terms, all you have to do is go to the units 2 and 3 Europe, Africa, and the Americas topic, and you got to go down to the bottom. You will have to click view more if you have not done that already, and you might have to do that a couple times to reveal the 1029 and 1030 digital lesson units 2 and 3 key terms. Okay, so it's already made a copy for you. You should have already at least started it. If you have not, then this is where it will make a copy for those units 2 and 3 key terms. All you got to do is click on this. It'll open the units 2 and 3 key terms, and then the terms you are doing are 17 through 24 from Astrolabe to Bartolome de la Casa. Okay, so those are the assignments you are working on for today's Monday's digital day. Once you finish those key terms, guys, you are all set. Those key terms are going to be due on Thursday, December 3rd. So please make sure you get those done. You should be able to finish them today and submit them. But in case you don't, that is when they are going to be due. Thursday, December 3rd. All right, guys? So that is Digital Monday's lesson for you for today, just to finish 17 through 24. Okay? Tomorrow, the live lesson is going to be a Pear Deck, just discussing European exploration in Columbus. You guys learned a lot about it through those videos that I showed you guys before break, but I just want to make sure that I hit the finer points and just quickly talk about European exploration and Columbus. So that's what we're going to do tomorrow, and then tomorrow and Wednesday, I should say. And then tomorrow and Wednesday's digital lesson is going to be to complete the set of notes for the European set sail set of Google Slides. I went back to a PDF, guys, so you will be able to use Kami to add to these set of notes and answer these questions without really destroying the format of the set of notes. So you should be all set. You should be squared away. Okay, guys, if you do have any questions, please let me know, and I will give you any workarounds that you need, and I will help you to answer those questions. All of the answers to this set of questions is going to be in this set of Google Slides European set sail. There are only 5 questions in that set of notes, so it is a very, very easy set of notes for you guys. And the only question, I believe it's question 3, but it tells you right on there to look at slide number 7. And all you have to do is use the key to be able to answer that question. Use the key and then look at the map to be able to answer the question that it's asking you. That's the only one that uses the map. Everything else is you'll be able to find on slide 4, slide 5, and slide 8. All the answers will be on those 3 slides. Excuse me. All right, guys? So that's where you'll find the answers for that. and it should be pretty easy. You should be able to complete the European set sail set of notes without a problem. Okay? And then for Thursday and Friday, the live lesson, we are going to take a look at a set of documents. This is what they look like, just so you know. There's nothing you have to do with them. We're going to talk about them in class, and I'm going to hopefully kind of break down the idea of historical context and point of view, and just kind of talk about those two things and just kind of walk us through and introduce us to CRQ documents and CRQ questions and all of those sorts of things. So that is the live lesson. That's what we're going to do on Thursday and Friday. And then the digital lesson for Thursday and Friday you'll find in Unit 4, in the topic Unit 4, the English colonies. What you're going to do for that is I'm going to give you a head start on the Unit 4 key terms. This is the unit that's going to be coming up. We're going to finish Unit 3 this week. Unit 3 is talking about Columbus and European exploration. And then after this week, the next 2 full weeks, what we are going to focus on and what we are going to talk about is the English colonies specifically and how the English colonies were formed. And what I am going to do when we get into discussing the English colonies on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, I will kind of lay out why we're focusing on that and talk about why we're focusing on that. But what I want you to do for your digital lesson for Thursday and Friday of this week is get a head start on those Unit 4 key terms, okay? So all you have to do is click on that set of key terms, and a copy will be made for you, and you'll be able to define these key terms and complete these key terms. There's only 18 of them. This is going to be a quick unit, so this should be pretty simple for you guys to complete and do. All you have to do is go to Module 3 in the textbook, and I will make sure that I change this to reflect what modules and what lessons in the online textbook you will be able to find this stuff in so that you can take and complete these key terms. All right, guys, I know it says page numbers now, but when you go to access it, when you go to look at it, you'll see module numbers and lesson numbers, and you'll be able to complete those terms that way. Okay? So that is what you're going to do for the digital lesson on Thursday and Friday, is just get a head start with these key terms. I do want you to know, guys, that the due dates for those key terms, because we only are going to be taking 2 weeks to cover this, are going to move pretty quick, and they're going to be one right after the other. So it is in your interest to take advantage of Friday or Thursday and get as many of those key terms as you can done. Okay? So that's what I'm going to suggest to you. That's what I'm going to recommend to you. Take the opportunity to get as many or all of these Unit 4 key terms done as you can. All right, guys? So that is the plan. Your live lesson and digital lesson for Tuesday, Wednesday, and your live lesson for Thursday, Friday, you will find in Units 2 and 3, the Units 2 and 3 topic. And then your digital lesson for Thursday, Friday, you'll find in the Unit 4 topic. All right? So just keep an eye out for that and make sure you look out for that. All right? So with that said, guys, I really forward to seeing you guys tomorrow and Wednesday and getting the chance to interact with you guys in person. This is going to be a lot of fun leading up to the holiday break and stuff like that. So it'll be really great to get to see you guys again and get to talk with you guys again. So I'm looking forward to that. Hope you guys are too. And with that said, I will catch you guys tomorrow and Wednesday.